Oh.
We are going to start in string handling in Java. String is the most important part of Java, and generally while we will work for web project, everything will be except from the browser that will be treated as a string. Finally, it will be converted to the primitives or objects, and then it will be stored in the DB. Okay. So, example 7. String handling. String handlings. Okay. Suppose I am taking two strings. In string in Java, string is, first of all, what you need to know, string is called immutable. Okay, anybody of you can tell the what is called immutable? What is the called immutable? What do you mean by immutable? Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay. And you will hear this term immutable and mutable. Okay, suppose I am writing here your name Sriti Prabhakar. Sriti SITI program. Sriti Prabhakar. Sriti program. It is a string. And next, Sriti, what is your title?
Barik.
Bari. So I want to do, okay, I want to add equal to actually what is happening here. If we run program, okay, string Sriti program, then I have written Sri Bari and Sriti str. Is it possible? Can I am changing this string. Actually, this string is what is happening. This string, you cannot return back this string. A string is immutable means actually here this object and it is removing this object. These object getting out. Actually, you cannot return back. After this, after str equal to body, even you cannot get this only this string. Now it is a concatenation is happening, but it creates a new string. It creates a new string. So actually, you cannot do any changes without creating the new. Okay, actually, it is creating a new object. Earlier things is getting erased and it's created a new object, and finally it is printing here. But that is the reason string called immutable. You cannot change. You cannot change. Okay, you cannot change a string value. If suppose I am asking you, can you do it? String Sriti program to changes anything. These will print Sriti program. Actually, what is happening if I create add Barik, it is removing earlier Sriti program and it creates a completely new object. So I cannot change anything. Okay, whenever you declare anything, that is a fix. So if you want to change, you need to create a new object. This is the reason it's called immutable, which is unchangeable. If you declare on string variable, you are not required to, actually you need to create the new variable. So it is unchangeable. This is the called immutable. String is immutable, and string we cannot change. Okay, so which things can change? Alternate is a string buffer. String buffer. String buffer. In string buffer has advantage. Suppose you are string buffer, you are writing here Priyanka. And now SB dot, it's called append. Priyanka title. What is the title, Priyanka? What is the title of Priyanka?
Sir,
Priyadarshini.
Sahu, sir.
Huh?
Sahu, sir. Her title is
It is
Sahu.
showing Priyanka Priyadarshini.
Sir, her full name is Priyanka Priyadarshini Sahu.
Okay, so Priyanka Sahu. S-A-H-O-O, suppose. So here, actually what is happening, if you print sys out, it is print SB dot, we need to convert it to string. So here you can append anything, but it will not create new object. But here actually it is create the new object. Okay, you can write it this way also, new string. Okay, here it will be created new object, and here it will be append method, it will not create the new object. So if we want to understand more better, I am writing a program. You will understand more better in string and string buffer. Actually, this is an interview question source. Many times we face the interview question. Suppose I am writing a program. For loop. Suppose int, here I am creating sum. Int sum equal to 0. Here I am doing here I equal to, okay, please try to understand, I less than 10 plus I plus plus I into I. Here what we are doing, suppose I am creating a all digits sum equal to sum plus 1, and I want to do the string. Okay, so yes, it is a create a string code. String null. It is a concatenation of the all data actually records some. To run this program, check. Actually, we are adding 0, 1, 9 like this. Actually, let's run this program first. You can comment here. Run this program. Check what happened. Okay, finally, actually, printing null 0. First time it is a I equal to.
It is not coming out the sum of all total, no, sir.
No, we are not doing the sum. We will concatenation. The string
Okay,
concat digit. Suppose I am in concat digit. Achha, what is happening? It is first equal to I equal to 0. Okay, now you understand. On concat digit, first it is called null 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Why it is null coming first? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, understand.
yes.
Because first it is a null, na?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason it is coming. Concat digit. Just 1 minute. Okay, what is happening here? What is really happening? Suppose first it is going to here. Okay, 1 minute. It will be, you will better understand here. Concat digit. This is the most ideal example. In future you will print. Okay. So what is happening here? Try to understand. First it is coming when it is going to the loop. It is a this concat digit. Okay, it is printing here. Okay, 1 minute. I need to change it. Concat digit. Okay, देखो, this is learning. Suppose we have, please carefully learning this program. You will be never ever forget these things in future. So first in here, for loop, actually what is happening here? It is coming here. Okay, now run. It will better understand. Okay, first try to understand what is the final output. It is a, after doing concatenation, it is the final output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. But what are the string to concat it, it has done for loop and actually, but these objects, how many objects? One, first object, second object, third object, fourth object, fifth object, seven. These are the number of objects, 10 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 objects actually, okay, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 actually these objects are has been produced, but only 10th object is printing here, rest 9 objects thrown. How many objects created here? 10 objects created, but 9 objects created and gone. So if you try to print here these objects, is it possible to print outside for loop? No.
No, sir.
Because that has been replaced. But same program, if we use, actually that is the reason every time you are doing that is replaced, means you cannot return back. It is called immutable. You cannot actually, it is a, you cannot keep old and new. You can, whenever you are doing new things, so earlier is get changed. But actually a new object is creating. But if you use the string buffer, same program, do same program using string buffer. The same program you are doing the string buffer. You can write the same program, you will understand. Do same program, follow. String buffer, concat digit. Okay, what is happening here in SB while we are doing SB dot append, SB dot append here actually it is creating the first object. It is creating the first objects and actually all values are appending, adding one after one. But final we are printing here. Here actually it is creating object. This is a first object. This is a second object. So entire episode it is creating two objects. But here what is happening in here actually what is happening concat string in case of concat string in this example first it is getting this concat string, next is a concat digit plus I, and then again for loop is coming here. So concat digit actually concat digit what is the last value it is again replaced actually, but the things is these objects is created and thrown away. But here this object is created, but what is the next step is I am just adding it. I am not creating new object. Here I am not creating new object. So this is the base difference between string and string buffer. This is the best difference between string and string buffer.
Sir, string buffer can't be understand, sir.
String buffer is a stretchable. It is not actually the in string what happens in string. Okay, I am more simpler. I am telling you.
Sir, जैसे contact
Please
contact
suppose okay 1 minute. I am asking suppose string st equal to Priyanka. I am asking you. You change this string to Priyanka Sarkar without creating new object. Is it possible if I want to do Priyanka to Priyanka Sahu, so I have to create another string. I have to create another string actually. So what is actually is happening? It is happening actually str string str1 equal str1. Actually it is happening st plus Sahu. Then only I can create I cannot without changing. I have to create a new string. I have to create a new object actually. Even if I write an st, that means it is creating the new object. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that means without creating new object, I cannot change Priyanka to Priyanka Sahu. So it's called immutable. And mutable meaning is the change which I can change. It is called immutable. But in string buffer, same things I am doing string buffer. New string buffer. Here, actually, I am creating only one object. I am not creating multiple. I am first object. I am adding append Priyanka. Then I thought, okay, I need to add her middle name sb1 dot append Priyadarshini. Okay. sb1 dot append Sahu. What is the difference? Here, if I create, suppose, Priyadarshini, finally I am printing that. Now if you print it, what here, what is happening actually, please try to understand. First object I have created, again it is a second object, again it is a third object. Understand? It is
Yes.
a third object, str1. So these objects we have append. So actually we have append three objects. We can write it. It is equivalent. It is equivalent if you write the st equal to st plus st equal to st plus Priyanka. Both are equivalent. This line. Understand? This is equivalent.
Yes, sir.
But here what I have done, I am writing another string name. So how many objects it is creating? 1, 2, 3.
Three
But
objects.
here how many objects it is creating?
One object.
Only one object. There is no object is creating. Only
Yes, sir.
add, append. So you can change this because it is a mutable. Which is changeable? That term is called mutable. Mutable
Yes, sir.
means changeable. So for above example, here what is happening? Only last object is created because all other objects are throwing. Here
Yes.
actually but only one object is, okay, this is the object and finally we have got two strings. So only one object is creating. Understand? So
Yes, sir.
this is the advantage and this is the difference between string and string buffer. String and string buffer. But string buffer introduced Java 1.5. Then another new things has been replaced, that is called string builder. String buffer is a thread shape component. So whenever it is not necessary thread, so to improve it, a new concept comes that is called string builder. It is the same features, but it is not thread shape, so it is faster. It is faster.
Yes, sir.
It's called string builder. This has been added. It do the same task, but it is not thread shape. It is not thread shape.
Yes, sir.
So it is actually performance will be faster. And it is a standard nowadays. And nowadays, if you work in a company, you will use string builder, not string buffer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening? Priyanka, dekho, Priyanka Priyadarsan show, it's done. But for first cases, you have to create the object, three objects, but again, it is an object you have created, you have appended. And string buffer, it is same thing, but it is not, it's faster than string buffer. So these are the general interview questions. I have given the Java JT job interview companion in that 25th page. Actually,
Hello.
you tell me.
So string builder and string buffer both are same, but only difference is
उसका नेचर सेम है, बट एक डिफरेंस यही है, वो देखो पहले जब इन्वेंशन हुआ था स्ट्रिंग बफर पहले आया था, और स्ट्रिंग बफर का ड्रॉबैक्स क्या है, ये थ्रेड शेप कंपोनेंट. थ्रेड शेप मीन क्या होता है, थ्रेड कुछ कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट इसके एक बार पकड़ लेता है ना, वो अंटिनली नहीं छोड़ता है, तब तो अदर्स ऑब्जेक्ट नीड टू वेट. समझ गया? ओके, कोई किसी को एक बार वॉशरूम में जाएगा तो दूसरा पास में जा सकते, उसको वेट करना पड़ेगा. वही थ्रेड शेप कंपोनेंट है, वो ब्लॉक होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? स्ट्रिंग बफर वही ऐसा कंपोनेंट था, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सेस होता है दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं कर पाता है, वो थ्रेड शेप है, इसलिए वो परफॉर्मेंस लॉन्ग रन ये परफॉर्मेंस इम्पैक्ट होता है. एंड ये न्यू अल्टरनेटिव क्लास हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, दैट इज स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर. स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर वो वही सेम फैसिलिटी देता है, बट वो थ्रेड शेप नहीं होता है, बट इसके लिए एट ए टाइम मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैन एक्सेस इट. समझ गए? दिस इज द थ्योरी बैकग्राउंड. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Check any doubt, go through the program. Even you cannot do the program by yourself. Quick, do at least this program you do it by yourself in your laptop or laptop. I think you have joined from laptop. So do this
Yes, sir.
program in your wish. At least do this program. Declare this and do practice
Sir,
this
hello?
program now.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have not joined from the laptop. There is a network issue.
देखो ना, ओके नोटबुक में
Heavy
लिखो,
issue.
नोटबुक यूज करो, लिखो,
Yes, sir.
प्रैक्टिस तो करो ना अभी।
Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes,
प्रैक्टिस,
sir.
खुद प्रैक्टिस करो एक बार, प्रोग्राम
Okay,
एक
sir.
नोटबुक में लिखो। अच्छा, ये प्रोग्राम पूरा देखो। हाँ, एक बार पूरा प्रैक्टिस करो। अच्छा, 1 मिनट करो, मैं 1 मिनट आ रहा हूँ। Hello, you have done? Hello,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir. It's
पूरा
clear, sir.
क्लियर? 100% crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
इससे इजी कुछ नहीं होता है. हम्म,
Yes, sir.
एग्री?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हम क्या सीखना पड़ेगा? What will be the next topic? Next topic will be so we learn string, and string has a multiple functions. String has a multiple function string. So we can create another program. You can string handling. Achha, first this example we can write the string and string buffer. String and string buffer and
String builder.
string builder. In interview, 90% case actually will ask, and if you able to showcase his example, so automatically you will crack the exam interview. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we are going to string handling. String के अंदर बहुत कुछ है. String के अंदर बहुत कुछ है. String handling is it most important. String is suppose str. String str. So suppose string1 str1 equal to Priyanka. PRIYNK Priyanka. AX string है, but how many functions? Lots of string handling functions. str1 dot, देखो dot कितना सारा function है. These are the lots of functions. These are the functions are in string handling. At least we can learn something. Suppose str1 dot length. What will be length? What it will give? Length of the string.
Yes, sir.
So it will print string length. Length of the Priyanka name. Priyanka name, the length is next. Priya. No. Okay. How many digits Priyanka name? 29 characters Priyanka name. So sys out. Suppose there are string handling. Str string handling. There is a suppose I want to substring. I want to make a substring. So str1 dot substring. Substring I want to cut, and so suppose I am giving starting is 0.
Hello. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
tell me.
Sir, in my name there is 26 letters. So how it is 29?
Okay, because all zeros are, all places are characters.
Okay, sir.
Earlier एक A पर पेज था, A पर पेज था, A पर पेज था, तो all places are character ना.
Okay, sir.
Suppose from देखो ये पे देखो एक बार मालूम. Suppose 0 ये 0 से शुरू होता है ना. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ये तुम्हारा फर्स्ट नेम कट करना चाहते हो, तो ये पे लिखो 0 to 6 लिखो. देखो आउटपुट क्या होता है. ओके 0 to 7. अभी क्या होता है प्रियंका 0 to 7 से 0 to 7 8 दे दो.
0 to 8.
Priyanka. Huh. So now string str, actually str अभी change हो गया. If you print here now, if you print here, so str1, you print it, देखो क्या होता है. These str1 था, okay, the a substring, it is a substring. Now we are want to do more. Suppose I want to, lots of methods are there. Okay, at least caret. Suppose I want to getting the caret about the, suppose this character. Okay, caret means care at, suppose I am giving 20th position. So 20th position, which character in his name, in her name. So right click, n character. In 20th position, n character. So it is caret. Suppose I want to find out position of character k in her name. Character k in her name. So I am giving sysout str1 dot index of यहाँ पे देखो मैं लिख रहा यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर के, देखो क्या, which things is coming, character k is n, it is a 6th position. If it is a 6th position, now you will sir, in my name there is a multiple I, so if I write I, what will be happen? Check it. I, so what will happen? It will be being the only first I. Okay, so this is the length, substring, caret. There are so many functions. Okay, all I'm telling the function name. There are lots of functionality. Sysout. Suppose str1 dot to uppercase. Str1, you can want to make two lower, lots of function. To lowercase. Okay, to lowercase. Suppose I have given a pace. But what I want to do, sysout. By mistake, if there is a pace at the end, it will be cut. It will cut. उसके लिए function है str1 dot trim. Okay. So it will remove pace character outside. Okay. Trim. There are methods like equals. Suppose ax string है और rx string str2, suppose Shruti program. I have declared another string. Suppose I am doing the comparison. What will happen? Shruti program and Priyanka both are not same. So if I compare it like sysout str1 dot equals objects str2. So what will happen? Both are not same, na?
Yes, sir.
But if both are same, if you declare, then it will be returned true. If both comparison true, so equals is a method. Equals ignore case is a method. Equals is a method. Equals ignore case. Suppose you are writing Sriti program and spoken small. Both are character case sensitives. In that case, equal ignore case. It will return Boolean. Okay. Suppose you are writing this is the two comparison. Both are same, but character one is S is a capital and small. In that case, it will be returned true. If it is equal ignore case. So there is a method concat. Lots of methods are like the concat. Suppose I want to concat.
So then it will return to Boolean, sir.
It will return to Boolean. Boolean is either true or false. I want to concat ST1 and ST. Now I want to concat both. देखो ST1 STR1 plus STR2. So देखो क्या होता है. And on it is getting concatenated. Concat होते हैं. Okay, there are methods, lots of methods. Okay, so there is what I need to know. We need to know there are lots of string handling method. There are lots of string handling method. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have learned? String and string handling. Okay. Next, what should we learn? Now we will learn on new things is a wrapper class. Is also most important wrapper class. Wrapper class. Let's learn. Wrapper class. First question, why should we learn? Why we should learn wrapper class? Because when you do the project, in real project, actually you will handle the all objects, not primitives. So actually you need to everything actually you need to convert to objects, and Java actually object oriented programming language. So you need to convert all primitive to object. It will be requirement will come. So this is called wrapper. Okay, how? Okay, any of you have gone to any shopping mall? Have you gone to any shopping mall?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you go to shopping mall, okay, then suppose you purchase shirt and is a dress, okay, lots of dress, and when you return, and how you the shopping mall they give inside a packet, or you take in all are in loose and in your hand.
No, the shopping bags,
They
sir.
give packets.
These packets is
give-
called wrapper, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये wrapper बोलते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, if you do not insert the wrapper, then what will happen? ये गिर जाएगा ना, गिर जाएगा, lost होता है, okay, transport में आने के
Yes,
time
sir.
होगा और नहीं होगा.
Yes, sir.
होगा सर.
This is the ये real life यही concept याद रखो, यही wrapper है. Wrapper का जो छोटा है ना, उसका मैं object में convert कर देता. Okay, here suppose I am writing here int x equal to 10, int y equal to 20. Okay, but I want to convert. This is a. It is what is this? It is integer primitive. But I want to convert to in integer. Actually, I need to convert actually in integer. So how can I do? Integer y equal to new integer x. What is this? Actually, now y is integer. Now y will be print it. If you print it, it will be print x equal to 10, but it is an integer. If you print it, it is an integer. Actually, now it is deprecated. The constant level. Actually, now concept has been changed. Anyway, so it is an integer. So it is a conversion to primitive to it will be primitive to converted to integer object. To print here, you will not find any notation difference, but that one is object, one is primitive. If you print y, x. This is a okay, but one is primitive, one is integer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
happening? Actually, which kind of conversion is happening? Primitive to wrapper class. What is the? If I draw a diagram, it is a int. If it is a int, it primitive wrapper is its wrapper is called integer. If it is float, its wrapper actually one is a Java class and one is a primitive. It is okay. It is a Java class. If you click here, you'll notice it is a class. It is a Java class.
Yes.
It is a Java class inside Java.lang package. Inside Java.lang package, it is a Java class. It is a class. But if you go to here, primitive, nothing. Mouse will be not happen. So one is object, one is primitive. Clear? Float equivalent to float. Double equivalent to float double, integer float double, int char character long. So these are the actually equivalent to conversion, and every object can convert to string also. Every object we can convert to string. Every object we can. So first we have learned primitive to object conversion. Okay. Similarly, if it is a float value, so we need to write float object new object. So we can pass the value. It will convert to the object type. Clear? It is an example of primitive to wrapper. Primitive to wrapper class. This example. What is the next example? If it is your requirement comes object to print, object to primitive, object to primitive, wrapper to primitive, wrapper class to primitive. This requirement can comes. This requirement can comes. So how will do? So int I equal to, suppose now it is your integer, no? Y. So you need to write y dot int value. Int value. So it will be converted to. Okay, understand? So this is the code is in similarly like the float for float value. If it is a float value, long value, double value, like this, we need to convert to wrapper to primitive class. Wrapper to primitive class. Okay. It is clear?
Yes.
Suppose we are what float. ঠিক আছে আরেকটাই দেখা করা যাচ্ছে না next conversion I want to convert to string. Anything we can convert it to string. Suppose x equal to 10, y equal to integer, but I want to convert to string. So object to wrapper to string, wrapper wrapper class to string class. Actually, it is your wrapper class. This y is wrapper class, na? So I want to convert y is to integer class, y to a string j equal to y dot toString. And toString will be noticed many times. You will be noticed that toString. toString, कोई भी object we can convert to in string object, string format. Any object to string. So integer object, integer to string. जैसे float to string, double to string. So every object we can convert to string object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next conversion will be happen. I want to convert to opposite. Means string to wrapper class. String to wrapper class. If anything is a string, suppose here, what is if we suppose j equal to string here j equal to string. I want to convert to string to wrapper class. That means I want to convert integer equal to j dot is called value of it will be integer dot value of j. Integer here a conversion with this conversion happening string to wrapper class. Here j is string. So j is converted to an integer object. That is a wrapper string to wrapper class. Last, and actually we are doing string to primitive. String, suppose string, numeric string to primitive. Or suppose we are declaring str st equal to, suppose I am writing 200, but I want to convert it to primitive. I want to convert it to int. So in that case, we will write suppose st dot integer dot parseInt equal to st. Similarly, integer dot parseInt, float dot parseInt, double dot parseInt, boolean, okay, all things you can convert it to parseInt. Okay, so here you to print okay, so it is converted. So all of you, these are the types of conversion happen. Okay, again from top to bottom, each and every line gone through. If any doubt, you can ask me. Every line you are able to understand or not, okay, do not hesitate to ask me. Go through it now.
Sir, wrapper class to string class once again.
Huh?
Wrapper class to string class.
Wrapper class to string class. Wrapper class is string class. What is a wrapper class? Wrapper classes, these are the wrapper class. Integer, float, double, characters, long, these are all wrapper class. Okay. Wrapper class, y is integer. Y is wrapper class, na? I
Yes.
want to convert to string. So then wrapper class dot to string method. Wrapper class dot to, y is here wrapper class. Wrapper class y is here integer class. And I want to convert to the string value. So I am writing y object dot to string. Any object can convert to string. Any object. Clear?
The J is a string value.
J now it is we are storing J is string value. J, again we are converting here string to wrapper class. Abhi J now J is string. J is it is converted to the integer. So it is a wrapper. So vice versa. Here पे wrapper to string and string to wrapper to string and string to wrapper.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा थोड़ा कंफ्यूज लगता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा 2-4 बार करोगे तो लाइफ टाइम बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, थोड़ा थोड़ा इनिशियली यू मे बी फील सम कंफ्यूजन. Okay, but these are the very basic things, very basic fundamental language, fundamental concepts. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we covered everything. Okay. Next. Okay, now we should learn another new things. Class object chapter. What is the three type of things? Class object. Oops, need to go to in oops. Okay, so I'm moving other place. Okay, next here in oops actually, and so far we are familiar with the class, but now I need to know about the abstract class. Abstract class. So right, so far we have done only class, but in there is a three things. One is a class, abstract class, and interface. So what is abstract class? Abstract class का मतलब क्या है? Do you want to know it? Abstract class. We are declaring a class. Class, suppose student. Public void suppose student personal details. We are writing it. We are writing. Okay, please listen the abstract class. We are learning abstract class. So here if I do create object here. Suppose I'm written. So run this program. Okay, is there any doubt in this program? I think all of you are mastered this kind of program. Any doubt till?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
So I want to add this method, another method. Public void student education academy. Okay, what is showing here? Is it accepting it? Move the mouse. What is showing here?
No, sir, not accepting.
This method requires a body instead of semicolon. Actually, a method which does not have body, उसका नेम है abstract method. इसका बोलते हैं abstract method, जिसका बॉडी नहीं है. ओके, देखो जब सिटी में जाओगे, देखो दो टाइप स्टैचू देखोगे. कुछ स्टैचू है, भुवनेश्वर सिटी में जाओगे, देयर आर सम स्टैचू, सम ग्रेट पर्सन, उसका पूरा बॉडी है, बट देयर आर सम स्टैचू उसका जस्ट ओके हेड है, बट उसका बॉडी नहीं है. ये सर नो, हैव यू सीन इट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जिसका बॉडी है उसका डिफाइन मेथड ये है, जिसके ये इसका बॉडी है. और जब देखोगे सिटी में कुछ लेजेंड पर्सन, उसका स्टैचू है, स्कल्पचर है, वो जस्ट हेड पोर्शन है, टॉप पोर्शन है, वो यही है. दिस इज ए मेथड विदाउट बॉडी, इज कॉल्ड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड. समझ गया? ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड. बट हाउ to avoid error, I need to write if any Java class have any abstract method, I need to write it. At least देखो public void abstract. देखो now error gone. But error has been generated in other place. Which kind of error? वो error चलेगी, but एक what is showing here? Read it.
Cannot initiative the type student.
It means we cannot create object, na?
Yes, sir.
We cannot create object. That means we cannot create object. कोई भी class अगर वो abstract होता है, उसका object नहीं कर पाता है. We cannot create object of any abstract class. समझ गया? So it is invalid. We cannot create it. We cannot create it. ये possible नहीं है. समझ गया? तो so we cannot create object of abstract class. So now you are understand what is called abstract class. In a class, if any Java class contain any abstract method, that means we need to define abstract keyword in the method name and abstract keyword name in the class name syntax also. Abstract keyword in the method name and abstract keyword in the class name, both options. This is the concept of abstract. Now tell me, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
पूरा और आधा?
Yes. Yes, sir. पूरा, sir.
पूरा clear. Java is feeling tough language or easy language? इतना अभी 4 क्लास चल रहा है ना?
Yes.
What is your experience? Java is tough or easy?
No, sir. Quite easy,
Sir,
sir.
sir, for me little tough.
For me, okay, tell me your name, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है, बट और एक बार 2 बार प्रैक्टिस होगा तो और भी
Yes,
फिर भी टफ लग रहा है. अभी थोड़ा इजी लग रहा है ना?
अभी थोड़ा लग रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा.
समझ आ रहा है.
प्रैक्टिस करना है सर.
अभी ये प्रैक्टिस करोगे, 2 बार करोगे. हाँ, किसी को पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा, किसी को बुला के.
Yes, sir.
ओके, आसपास में कोई भी स्टूडेंट है, रिलेटिव के अंदर कोई भी बीटेक पढ़ाई करता है, अच्छा एक
Yes,
ना,
sir.
मैं तुमको ओके लॉजेंस खिलाएंगे, बट फिर भी तुमको जावा भी सिखाएंगे. ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. उसको खिलाओ और फिर भी तुम्हारा बेनिफिट किसके होगा? तुम्हारा होगा.
Yes, sir.
ओके, किसी को घर बुलाओ, और नहीं अभी तो घर बुलाओ तो कोरोना का प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, आ जाओ गूगल मीट में, है तुमको जावा सीखो, जो सर के पास सीख गया वही तुमको सिखाएंगे. ओके, प्रैक्टिस किसका होगा? तुम्हारा होगा. आज ये सब चीज तुम कॉलेज में, तुम्हारा कॉलेज में अच्छा तरफ होता है. अभी किस पोजीशन में तुम लोग होता है? देखो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम में क्या बनाया, एक डिग्री होल्डर बना दिया. कॉलेज से क्या डिग्री होल्डर बना दिया। ये सब इवन ये प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज अच्छा तरह नहीं सीखे। बट इफ आई कैन रिमेम्बर माई केसेस, जब मैं स्टूडेंट था, जावा में 9 ग्रेड मिला था। मैं एक्चुअली 9 ग्रेड में एक्चुअली मैं 100 तरफ एक्चुअली प्रोग्रामिंग एग्जाम्पल लिख दिया एग्जाम में। मैं इतना तरफ सीखा, इतना सीखा ना, मैं मास्टर बन गया था। जब 20 साल अगले जो बुक है उसके वो भी अभी मेरा साइड में है। तो उसी टाइम ऐसे तरफ सीखा। यू नीड टू लव इट। इफ यू लव इट, इट विल रिटर्न एवरीथिंग टू यू। ठीक है, अभी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सीख गया ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in abstract, then what I can do, I need to create, I cannot create the object of abstract, then I need to create an implement. I need to implement, so I can create another class, student IMPL, implements student. क्लास है ना, एक्सटेंड्स it's okay, but again it is a showing error, student IMPL extend student। एक पे क्या देते, देखो एक what is written here, what is written here, पढ़ाई करो, what is showing here,
The type student IMPL must implement the inherited abstract method student academic info.
ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड है ना, तो इसको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, इसको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा। डिफाइन करो, डिफाइन करो, वो तो उसका एरर चला जाएगा। अभी इसका डिफाइन करो, डिफाइन मीन्स क्या करना पड़ेगा, वो इसका बॉडी दान करना पड़ेगा।
Yes.
अभी क्या लिखा, अभी एरर चला गया।
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can create object of this class. Now you can create an object of this class. Student is the abstract class, but I am not create the object, but I can create the student IMPL and I can store it to student. I can store it to student. Last दिन वही किया था।
Yes.
एक बार देखो पूरा टॉप से ओके एंड तक देखो, एक बार समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा। Any doubt in your head?
No, sir. It's clear, sir.
Is it okay now?
Yes. Sir.
How do we learn here? Pehले abstract class, and then how we cannot create the instance of the abstract class, so we have created another class to implement it, so to extend it, then we can write the define, and then in from main method we can access that class also, and also we are creating the object dot method name. So if you run, it will come to this result. So is this clear to all of both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. और एक बार देखो, और एक बार पूरा ये करो, from beginning to end देखो. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we learn abstract it. Same program we are doing, and now we are learning interface. इंटरफेस देखो, इंटरफेस में मतलब यही है, इंटरफेस विल कंटेन ऑल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. इंटरफेस के अंदर डिफाइन मेथड नहीं घुसेगा. इंटरफेस स्टूडेंट. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा ये होता है, एक पैकेज के अंदर सेम नेम होता है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है. स्टूडेंट info right here, student info. This is a interface, but an interface a class can implement. Then I need to define two methods. What is saying? The type student sample is already defined. Okay, so this is a interface. Interface contain all variables are public static final. Interface contains all public static final variable, and interface contain all abstract method. All methods are abstract. Since it is contains all are abstract method, so I do not require it. Okay, if you write it, that is sufficient. It will not give any error. You are not required to write abstract words. So this is sufficient for interface. This is now. Here, basic interface is this, but we are storing interface object, which is object in terms of interface. देखो, ये प्रोग्राम इंटरफेस का एग्जांपल है. शुरू से ये फर्स्ट इंटरफेस एग्जांपल. Whether it is complete clear or not, you need to come back. What we learned here, we cannot create object of interface. We have to implement in a class all methods of the interface. All methods need to implement. Okay, that is the mandatory. And any class which will implement interface, all methods need to be implement also. So this is the result. Actually, way we are creating the object of student info. So this is our first learning for interface. What is interface? Okay, interface क्यों जरूरत है? इंटरफेस में तो कुछ नहीं है ना, कोई बॉडी नहीं है. जरूरत क्या होता है? देखो, कोई भी ब्रिज अगर भुवनेश्वर में सिटी में गवर्नमेंट प्लानिंग किया, पहले कोई ब्रिज क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. तो पहले क्या होता है, नेक्स्ट जब प्लानिंग हो गया, ब्रिज डिसीजन होगा, यहाँ पे एक ब्रिज होगा, तो दूसरा दिन से उसका स्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड करने के शुरू हो जाता है ना, और प्लानिंग शुरू होता है. और डिजाइन शुरू होता है, वो म्यूनिसिपल जाना पड़ेगा, पास आउट करना पड़ेगा, लॉट्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कंप्लेंट्स देखना पड़ेगा। अगर बड़ा ये होता है तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी परमिशन मानना पड़ेगा। यही होता है और नहीं होता है?
होता है सर।
होता है। So actually the things is we need to in design is actually when we any in IT company software development implementation होता है ना, उसका डिजाइन फेज होता है। डिजाइन फेज में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, उसका ये इज कॉल्ड डिजाइन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इज कॉल्ड डिजाइन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। एक्चुअल डेवलपर लोग क्या होता है, वो लोग इम्प्लीमेंट होता है, और आर्किटेक्ट लोग जो प्रोजेक्ट में आर्किटेक्ट सीनियर वो लोग कोड नहीं करते, वो यही डिसीजन मेकिंग लेता है, क्या क्या इंटरफेस होगा, क्या क्या क्लास होगा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डेवलप आल्सो। So it is up to this. Okay, today I think we cannot stretch much more. So we have reached to up to interface. So abhi thora interface, abstract class and basic things we have learned. Okay, so far all of you cover it. And again, any session we will now we reach to actually exception handling and interface also. So that will be our next things. But all programs are already done in this project here. Here all projects are there. I have sent you these projects. Okay, this is I have sent to you already. So what should we proceed more, or we should stop here today? We reached to up to, okay, up to interface we have covered up. Should we proceed more, or we should stop here? What is your, I need your suggestions and your bandwidth also.
Sir, stop here, sir. Sir, we can stop here, sir.
We can stop here. ठीक है, अभी ये स्टॉप करो, डाइजेस्ट करो, उसके बाद फिर भी प्रोसीड हो। तो थोड़ा सीख हो रहा ना, बेनिफिट हो रहा?
यस सर।
हाँ, गुड।
सर ये जो एग्जांपल्स है वो हमें सेंड कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ ठीक है, देखो एग्जाम्पल सेंड करेंगे वही तुमको करेगा, प्रैक्टिस मत करेंगे, यही प्रॉब्लम होता है। इसलिए मैं वीडियो दे देंगे, वीडियो देंगे, सब लोग वीडियो देख के करो, वीडियो देख के करो। अभी वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे, वीडियो का URL भेज देंगे। वीडियो देख के खुद प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा ना, जितना ये होता है, पहले कुछ खुद का प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा, स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा, पॉज करना पड़ेगा, फिर खुद का करना पड़ेगा, तब तो अच्छा होगा। कोड दे देंगे, यही तुमको जाएंगे, तुम राइट क्लिक करके चल रहा तो क्या होता है, कैसे सीखोगे? चल रहा मीन्स कैसे सीखोगे, समझ गया?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
शेयरिंग ऑल वीडियो इन हाफ एन आवर, आई एम शेयरिंग ऑल वीडियोस, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
लास्ट 3-4 दिन के जो वीडियो हुआ, पूरा वीडियो I भेज दूंगा। वीडियो I will upload in the PCS Global channel and I will share to both of you. Okay, I will give the URL.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. चलो।